Holy shit, dude. That's
What I'm about to do right now is shoot a beehive.
no, move!
I will run. Run.
It's a beehive right now!
Run.
And then what I'm about to do right now again is shoot the beehive.
Oh, he got some.
Sir. Alright, that's kind of loud. Alright, no more.
No more. Oh, crap.
The beehive.
Look at the bee. Oh, no. No, open the door.
Really? I think I wasted bullets.
No
But I
more
shot the beehive. Oh, God. Alright, let's get in.
Oh, I don't have more.
Go inside. We shot the beehive.
Where? Let me see.
Right there.
Holy shit!
What are you talking about? I shot some too.
Bees on the
Yeah, you
ground.
saw some.
I shot some too.
Lemon did.
Holy fuck!
Wait.
Nate, where's the ammo? It's in the house.